Hi, I'm Dilly and I'm here today with ClownAntics.com to show you how to put on a simple Auguste makeup. Rather than putting on a flesh tone base coat for my Auguste, I'm basically just putting on the accents to keep it simpler, to keep it also quicker for close quarters clowning. I feel like it keeps it a little more human for me. The idea behind the accents is not to create a mask, but to accentuate my features and to make it so that my expressions will pop when I'm happy or sad or look surprised. So I follow the musculature of the face and just use it for a heightened reality instead of trying to cover anything up. Now, if I were doing a more extensive makeup, I might be putting completely covering, carving shapes out with a Q-tip. You can sort of twist and curl, like say I wanted to make a spot in there. You can take a spot out with the Q-tip and put another color in there. As you're going, if you like, you can powder as you go in each color. The makeup that I currently use, I tend not to, but you might put on your white and powder, and your red and powder, and then your black and powder, to keep any colors from bleeding into each other. So already I'm almost done. I just keep it very simple these days. Instead of painting on my eyebrows, I paint above my eyebrows because the muscles are actually more defined above than right on. Okay, I neglected to wet a paper towel in advance. I'm gonna put some water on this because now that this is powdered, I can blot it off and bring the colors back out. Thank you so much for watching ClownAntics.com. The links to all the products are down below, and if you liked this, please be sure to share it with your friends and family.